Hey, bud. This way. For a Saturday, we are up pretty early at 7:15. Don's actually going to take Johnny to Fuquay High School for the SAT. Come on, buddy. Tux. I know he's coming for breakfast, but you can just come for yours over here. Thank you. Anyway, Don and Johnny are leaving for the SAT in a few minutes. Don wanted to sleep in more, so he volunteered to take Johnny. It's just over to the Fuquay High School, the newly renovated high school. I'll come this way to see you so you don't get yourself in trouble. Good morning. Good morning. Don's got him a cup of coffee. Johnny's got his passport and his calculator and his pass. You have to print a pass now to get in with the barcode on it. Yeah, we're working on getting a new state-issued ID, but it's so hard to get an appointment. We don't have one till October. Good luck!
Bye-bye. We went over the checklist. He's got everything he needs.
Yay! You're gonna do great. I know it.
Yep.
Let's see. Don did get an update on the GMC yesterday that they weren't quite finished reworking the brakes, so we did not go pick it up yet. I don't know if it's going to be ready this morning or not. They text Don, so, you know, Tesla we both see in the app, but I don't know about the Chevy. We'll pick up Johnny at noon. You know, the high school is only 10-15 minutes away, and it's the finale event for Pokemon Go Fest today, so I'll be playing Pogo, particularly on mine and Don's account, Photo Mom and Bama Boy. Trying to get those shinies. I've got Michelle hooked up to play a little bit too, so that will preoccupy part of the day today. While it's nice and cool and the sun's not too high, I've decided to mow the grass. Oh wow, he's back super early. That was quick. All done, including blowing the driveway, the boardwalk, and the cul-de-sac. Don did come out and check on me. It's all good. Hey, Marty. Hi, bud. Marty. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. He's such a good boy. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, we're going Pokemon hunting?
Yeah, Don's going to help me out a little bit. I smiled nice at him and told him I'd fix him ribs for dinner.
Hey, she cut the grass. Who am I to not help my girl out if she's going to help me out by cutting the grass? She's like, take it over. I haven't cut the grass in like 3, 4, 5 years. I mean, a long time.
Yeah, I have been pretty consistent. I think you went down to the street maybe a time or two.
Oh, well, I've pitched it, but as far as me doing the grass,
right? You haven't owned it. You haven't. Yeah. He comes out and replugs in the lights at the bridge and moves the tables around for me. And sometimes he empties
brings you a battery.
Bring me a battery or brings me a bottle of water. He keeps me going while I'm out there.
I encourage you.
Oh, that's the longest I've let it get all summer. I'm really struggling here with this new time change, picking up Johnny early. Obviously, I have more time in the afternoon. It's the same length of time on the road and the same miles. But who wants to mow when it's 90 out at 3 p.m.? I mean, you know, not me. So anyway, we're headed to Anger, to Jack Marley Park. Some of the local players are hanging out over there. It's got a lot of gyms and stops and a little walking trail. And this is more about Pogo than walking. I made that clear to Don, and we're going to spend about an hour over here, something like that. Or maybe 90 minutes and then drive to get Johnny. Woo! Let's go. This is the drone footage road.
Yeah, she said she needs to be there by 10 o'clock.
Right, those guys are going to start hitting the raids in the gyms. I want me some shinies today. All a shiny is in Pogo is a Pokemon that is a different color than the regular color, and it has a bunch of stars. It looks shiny. It has a bunch of stars. Anyway, Michelle's ready to play remote, and I don't know. I'm kind of excited about the event today. It looked like some really cool stuff. Well, it's a pretty day here. We're hot and heavy catching Pokemon. We've got several Formosa raids in. Michelle has caught the really pretty girl Pokemon. I guess it's a girl. She looks like a ghost, so you know she would be really popular with Michelle. And yeah, it's all good. Don's being an excellent sport. He's listening to his getting caught up on Tesla podcast. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. We're moving. Thank you for being such a good sport. It's 12:40. Don's at the high school getting Johnny. Looks like he had to wait a bit. Not sure what's up with that. He's going to come back and get me. It is very hot out here in the full sun at 12:40 in the afternoon. So I'm walking pretty fast because I want to hit those trees. It's one of those hectic days. We got home and I fed Don, and Johnny took off for his dad's house, and I need a Pokemon I can't get here at the house, so we're going for a little ride. But Don's had him a good nap and his tummy's full. We just ate dinner early. Well, aren't I glad I mowed today so the grass could start growing again. We've been hearing the thunder rumbling for an hour and the storm is finally here, but it's nothing bad. It's just, you know, some thunder and some rain. We're watching YouTubes and I'm sorting Legos. Hey, buddy. Glad to see you're dry. Panther. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Stay dry.